Hey everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video just to let you guys know that I am still around. I'm not dead. I know it's been a bit since I've uploaded some content, but I wanted to make a quick video just to sort of let you guys know what I've been up to and give you a look into what I've been busy with in the meantime. So for those of you who have seen the posts that I've put up and or follow on the Discord server, you'll know that I moved at the beginning of this month. And so, there's always lots of trials and tribulations that come along with moving, packing up everything into a truck and, moving to a different state, different country, what have you. And then subsequently trying to find everything in boxes, which, as you can see, I'm still very much in the middle of that. So basically, that is my update. I am in the new office / studio right now, setting it up. So there's a little preview for you guys of what that's going to look like. It's a mess right now. It looks like explosion or something happened in here with cables all over the place, but it's very much in progress right now, and I'm working to get my workstation set back up so that I can continue making content. So hopefully I'll have that completed within the next couple of days. I had to wait on new flooring to actually be installed in this room before I could actually put everything together. So thankfully, most of the things that I've been waiting on are now complete, and I'm able to start reassembling everything. So as you can see, I'm sort of in the process of doing that now, and then I should be able to be recording new content very soon. So just wanted to give you guys a quick update with that. I thank you guys for your patience, and everything is fine. It's going actually pretty well. No major hiccups or bumps. It's just taking me a bit to get it all together. So anyways, that's it for this one, guys. When I come back, I will probably make another video showcasing what the new studio office situation looks like, and I'll probably throw up a couple of pictures of what the old one looked like, just for those of you that are interested. And I may post that on like a Tuesday video separate from the main series. But anyway, I will see you guys later.